Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed services provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. When is the last time you checked to see if your backup is working and backing up your data correctly? Many times companies think they are backing up their data when in fact there is no backup at all. Some companies use outdated tape drives that are not cleaned on a regular basis. We recommend keeping your data backed up a minimum of once per day. We encourage you to have hourly backups with an off-site storage option. These backups need to be encrypted locally and in the cloud. If you are keeping your data locally and do not have a backup solution, we recommend at a minimum keeping 2 copies of your data on 2 different devices, such as USB flash drives or external hard drives. We see external hard drives and flash drives fail often. Please make sure you're recovering your files and checking to make sure your critical data is actually being backed up. Have you verified that your data can be recovered? If you need help backing up or verifying your data is backing up properly, please contact us. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.